Ladies and gentlemen, IFA is a legacy. IFA is more than just an award platform. IFA is a bona fide emotion. I remember the very first year that IFA was held at the Millennium Dome, and I remember my father was such an integral part of the formation of IFA, and I remember those were the good old days where we actually cared about seat arrangements, where who sat next to each other mattered, and my father was diligently at it with Andre, Sabas and Viraf. Those emotions haven't left me. They're still very, very fresh in my memory bank, and being here is much more than just attending a ceremony, but it's actually an inclusive fraternity platform. And IFA has always done that, brought our families together. And this year, much more than just bringing an industry together, it's bringing the entire Indian film industry together with IFA Utsavam and IFA coming together. This is a grand celebration of cinema all at once. And when we say grand and we say big and we say large, then we go the biggest. And so the gentleman I'm going to call on stage, it doesn't get bigger than him. It hasn't got, and he's the biggest part of my life, my career, and the biggest part of our cinema, the proudest part of our cinema. He is a legacy movie star, a bona fide legend, and not just an artist that has swept the world with emotion, action, drama, but he's also that man with a golden heart, and he matches the statue to every inch. Please welcome the bona fide king and the crown that should never leave, his persona, Shah Rukh Khan.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you very much, Karan, and thank you, IFA, for having me here this evening. And thank you to all the friends and colleagues who are present here, all the partners, Shobha, Nexa, Mysore, Ease My Trip, Venky's, and ZTV, of course. And Rana, good evening. Lovely to see you here. Abhishek, so wonderful to see you live after seeing your wonderful film. I've been wanting to call you. And Siddhant, तुम दोनों को सिखा दूं, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अपने पाँव पड़ती है, पुरानी वाली इज्जत भी देती है, तो ऐसे करती है. But I want to thank Sabbas and Viraf and Andre, my very, very, I don't know if I should say old friends, but young old friends. And I'm so privileged to be hosting this show with Vicky and Karan and all the other amazing talent, some of them not present here this evening. And of course, to see the great performances that will follow. This Shahid, Vicky is going to perform, Janvi, Kriti, and of course, the most wonderful and the star of them all, Rekha ji will also be there. So for me, it's a great evening, it's a great honor, great privilege. Thank you for having me on IFA. Thank you so much, everyone.
Shah Rukh, it's like a ghar wapsi of sorts. You're back on the IFA stage after nearly a decade, and they couldn't be happier and more excited about welcoming you back into the IFA family, because every time you've been there, you've created a storm, literally, like you always have with your cinema. How does it feel to be back on the IFA stage?
इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हो, बुलाया तो एक ही बार था पहले. शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है. एक बार बुलाया होस्ट करने के लिए, उसके बाद 10 साल के बाद बुला रहे हैं. ऐसी तारीफ करवाया जा रहा है, ऐसे लिख के लेकर आया तो यहाँ पे. But it's really nice to be here. Thank you, IFA, for having me. No, I'm not. I'm joking. अब clarify करना पड़ता ना कि joke कर रहे हैं, seriously नहीं बोल रहे हैं. I would have loved to always come, but unfortunately, for some reason or the other, I was working at the point of time when IFA is being hosted all around the world, which makes us very, very proud. And more often than not, I've always had to beg myself off saying, listen, मेरी shooting है, आप कहाँ पे, टोरंटो में हो, वैंकूवर में हो, मलेशिया में हो, यहाँ कर लो ना, या बोरीवली में कर लो, फिल्म सिटी में कर लो, जैसे बाकी लोग करते हैं यार. But the vision is big. IFA has always thought of taking Indian cinema, and now with the inclusion of Malayalam and Kannada and Tamil, Telugu and Hindi cinema, I think, mashallah, this is even more Indian than it has ever been before. So, keeping up with your vision, I am thankful now, after so many years, trying to come back. I hope we can present well keep people entertained and keep it very short
Yes, yes.
and crisp
And know when to
and
leave.
fast. Yeah, and please come for the rehearsals, Karan.
No. I've left that to you. I know this is a chat we should have in private, but please, can you take care of that?
Okay. So Karan has told me he's not going to rehearse for hosting. He'll do it on Zoom. भाई मैं जूम पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करता हूँ, मैं तो इतना होस्टिंग करता हूँ ना. अभी ये बोल रहे थे ना ये सिद्धांत की, मैं तो ये क्या है, मैं चैट शो भी होस्ट करता है, फिल्म शो भी होस्ट करता है, ये बोलता है पिक्चरें भी तो बना मेरे भाई, तू कितना होस्ट करेगा.
यही मैं वही सोच रहा था जो सिद्धांत बोल रहा था. तो आई वाज लाइक दिस इज साउंडिंग रॉन्ग ऑन ऑल लेवल्स फॉर अ फिल्म मेकर कि आई शुड बी मेकिंग मोर मूवीज. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई शुड बी डूइंग. बट
इसलिए तो रिहर्सल Zoom पे कर ले,
आप
बाकी
संभाल
picture
लो,
shoot
आप
करना.
संभाल लो. मैं स्पॉन्सर्स की नेम ले लूंगा.
थैंक यू.
हाँ प्लीज, आई डू दैट.
और हम कनन को बीच में नहीं आने देंगे, वो स्पॉन्सर्स को चुप करा देता है बिफोर दे फिनिश. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think we'll have to maybe look at that. All right. Listen, boys, you're on for a ride, and we're really excited that both of you are hosting IFA Rocks, and along with, of course, Vicky, all of us. Like, we're a community of hosts this time. But we also have an incredible host in the house with us, who is actually going to be hosting IFA Utsavam, big integral part of South cinema. I know for me, the origin of my entry into that cinema came with Rana, and I will always be grateful because Bahubali happened because of Rana. Rana, please join us on stage.
We are fully South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian, sir.
Rana, we're so excited that we're all going to be together. And what do you have to say about the fact that this is truly a celebration of Indian cinema with 5 languages being awarded, you know, all at once at one ceremony? I mean, at one event.
So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
You're
wraps.
trying to keep it under wrap. Now we're official. Now
Yes.
we're actually on stage. We're actually in IFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point of time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just, the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire 4 industries, not just as an actor, but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here, the first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And IFA, thank you for putting all us together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsavam? Yes. Thank you. So I think that'll be
it's a deliverable.
It's a deliverable? Oh.
Yeah. We are coming. Clap louder, y'all asked us to.
Thank you, the 3 IFA partners, for making this happen.
Yeah.
I think this is really the first time, sir. All of you all are at the South Indian Utsavam.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it is.
First
Actually, it's
time,
amazing. Like I said, it's quite fantastic. We're really excited about what's to come. And in fact, what a weekend. We start with IFA Utsavam, you have IFA Hindi, and then you have IFA Rocks. And then there's a lot of activities happening with all our talent. We have an incredible lineup, all very excited, and mainly because the main man is here. So thank you, Shahrukh. Thank you, Rana. And we'll all leave now.